All right. There's no more new material this week, so I'll keep this video brief. We're almost there, everyone. We'll have a reminder of what's up this week, and then I'll leave you to your busy end of term schedule. So last week we closed off the textbook and the material for the term with the speech perception module. The practice quiz for speech perception is now available on eClass, and so is the practice quiz for the previous week. That's the physiology and psychophysics of hearing. The graded quiz covering these chapters is up this week, Wednesday, April 14th, so don't forget that. Thanks to some feedback I got partway through the term, I've been trying to more closely align the difficulty of the practice quizzes with the graded quizzes, so I hope that those practice quizzes are especially helpful preparation. This is the sixth and last quiz, and you know that your final grade will be based on the best 5 of those 6 quizzes. I know some people plan to just skip the final quiz. Happens every year, especially if you've done well on the first 5. That's totally fair. I do have to encourage you to have a go at it. On the one hand, it may turn out to be your best quiz yet and give you a little bit of an upwards nudge on your final grade. On the other hand, for my sake, I do like to get general information about difficulty and how the different questions land. So just to help out with my teaching going forward next time I teach this class. Anyway, the final transcription that you handed in last week will be graded and available to you by Wednesday at the latest this week. And of course, the only other thing left is the third and final lab assignment. That's next Tuesday when it's due. So it's important for you to have a start on it now, especially if you choose the perception experiment, because that requires getting other people to help out, and there may be some scheduling stuff. And just in case it's not clear, you are absolutely able to run that experiment remotely over Zoom or any other remote audio interface. Just make sure that you have a way of conveying the sounds they have to hear and collecting their answers systematically. Okay. As always, I'm happy to answer any questions or have a discussion about what's left here by email, on the forum on eClass, in the tutorial, whatever. Let me know. Oh, and yeah, my plan is to have a tutorial this week and another one next week, and then that'll be it for anyone who wants to come. My dog actually made himself known to my other class last week, and that was really popular, so I'm going to have him show up at both of our last 2 tutorial sessions in this class as well for anyone who'd like to meet him virtually. I'm not a huge dog person myself, but I am assured he's very cute. Anyway, we're almost there, so you can do it. See you soon.